Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, we have all heard the phrase Ghana must go in Nigeria. It is a term that is so popular in Nigeria that there is even a bag that is called a Ghana must go bag. It's this cellophane bag that is used to carry things like clothes and stuff like that. So there's even a bag. So we now have a situation. I'm going to play you a video first and then we'll come back and chat about it some more. So as I said, we now have a situation where Ghanaians are now deporting Nigerians from their country. So how things have changed, how the mighty have fallen. Nigeria that used to deport Ghanaians back in the 80s and in the 90s, sending them back in truckloads across the border. We now have that role reversed. Things have now gotten so bad in Nigeria that this is the situation that is now being played out. The Ghanaians are now returning the compliment, so it's now no longer Ghana must go, it's now Nigeria must go, and that is the chant now that they are chanting in Ghana, as you saw it play out for yourself. So what do you make of this? Nigeria must go in Ghana. This is the situation we find ourselves in. What are your thoughts? What's led to this? What's led us to this point? Let's have a conversation around Nigeria must go in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation about Nigeria must go in the comment section, click on the subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. Click on the bell as well so you're notified as soon as I drop another video. Then come join me in the comment section where we can have a conversation about this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.